Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are mastering Linux package management for the RHCSA exam. This topic alone covers 20 to 25% of topics of the exam. So, if you learn this command, you are already ahead. So, in this video, we will learn DNF, RPM, repository, module stream, Flatpak, local ISO repositories, package queries, verification, and style task. Exam task. So let's start. We will open the terminal from here. Activities, open terminal. I just now DNF is used for the install, remove, update, searching, and managing the package. This is the main package manager in the RHEL. So, basic DNF command is using. We will start from how to search for a package. So, DNF search. I want to search HTTP package. We will see it is available or not. Enter. Now, we will see here the HTTP package is available. Name, summary of match. So, now we want to get detail about the package. So we can use DNF info HTTPD. Enter. So name HTTPD, version, release, architecture, size, source, repository, full repo, summary, URL, license, and description. All the package information is available in this using this command. So if we want to install the package, then what can we do? We will see DNF install HTTPD -y. -y is used for automatically say yes to all the dependency of package. So already installed. So we will get package HTTPD is already installed. Dependency resolved, nothing to do. The same way, if we want another package, we can install DNF install package name -y. So I want to remove the package. Then what can I do? DNF remove HTTPD -y. Using this command, we remove the HTTPD package from our system. See, package is removed. If I want to update all packages, then what can I do? I just first of all clear the screen for the clear view. So we go. Okay. Now, if I want to update all packages, then I can use DNS update -y. DNF update -y, it is used for updating the all packages in our system. So we will see here, it is updating right now. So each and every package is updating right now. So it is updating until we will see what type of Linux user package management um, questions asked for the interview. So what we have to prepare for this question? So in for this topic, the number of questions we can ask, but if we want to answer it properly, we have to give them the proper explanations. So Linux user package management, it is focused on understanding the core concept and practical application like package management system. Learn how they automate the installations, upgrade, configuration, and remove of software package. Understand their role in maintaining the database of software details and resolve the dependency. Dependency resolution. Know how the package manager handle dependency by automatically install, require libraries and the module during installation. Linux private package management is familiarize yourself with the package use case and how it fit into the broader development workflow. Be prepared to explain its importance and when to choose it over alternative. Practical application. Practice explaining the concept out loud as if you're teaching someone. Work through scenario based questions to demonstrate your understanding and application of Linux package management in the real world situations. Certification. Mention any relevant certification but focus on describing real project where you used Linux package management to solve the problem. By focusing on this area, you can enhance your interview preparation and demonstrate your expertise in Linux package management. Here we see it's complete. So our short break is also completed. We learned the key concept about the interview and now we will see the next command. So here we update all the packages. If we want to check for the available updates, then we can use, I just clear the screen for a while, using DNF check icon update. Using this command, we can check if any available package is for updating or not. So there is no any package for update. If we want the list of installed package, we can use DNF list install enter. Here we get all installed packages in our system. We will see. So if we want list of available packages, then we can do DNF list available. So this is a list of available packages. Now we will learn the second point in DNF repository management. RHCSA takes repo configuration heavily. So we will learn how to view repository, how to enable repository. So let's start. If we want to view repository, we can use DNF, repo, list, enter. So here we get the repo ID and repo name. If we want all repositories, we can see DNF, repo list, all, enter. Here we get all repo lists in our system. Some are disabled or some enabled. In that, suppose we want to enable one of the repository, then we can use this command DNF config -manager -sales -enable. Suppose I want to enable this repo, then I can just type RHEL 9 is OS. Enter. There is an error. Sorry, some spelling mistake. I want to use sales. We will see. Just clear the screen. We use DNA, repo, list, all. Now I want to enable the RHEL 9. And I can use DNF config manager. And I will say enable RHEL 9. Enter. Okay. Now it's enabled. We will see if it's enabled or not using DNF repositories all. Okay. We will see. We recently, yeah, in previous command, it's disabled. Now, using this command, we enable the repo list. Enable RHEL 9. I'll just clear the screen. Now you can see how to disable the repository using DNF config manager -sales disable RHEL. Enter. Sorry, that is RHEL 9. So now it's disabled. We will see. So now its RHEL 9 is disabled. The third task is creating a local ISO repository. The third task is okay. How to create ISO repository? It's a really important question for the RHCSA exam. So first of all, we want to mount the ISO using mount /dev cvd rom. If you have SRO, then we can see both command which one is working here? Slash mount. So it's mount. I want to create a repo file. So I use v. We have to create repo file in the slash etc yum dot repos dot d, and I have to give name local dot repo. So it end with dot repo. Enter. Okay. Now if I have to edit the win command, I have to first of all press I for insert. We need to add some information in the win file. First of all, yes, name equal to place URL equal file dot slash mount place enter enable equal to 1 gpg equal to 0. If I have to upstream also, then I can add uh, upstreams. So this file lines is must mandatory in the repo file. I can add another repo here, name equal to upstreams. Enter. This is equal to file dot slash mount slash and string. Enter. Enable. So it's I previously just write enable, it's enabled. We have to write D also enabled equal to 1. 1 means enabled, and if I write here 0, it's disabled. gpgj equal to 0. I can save the file using escape :wq exclamations enter. So the file is saved. If I have to verify the file, then I can use DNF repo list. Enter. So recently I added base OS and app streams repo. Now we will see the 4 task is the 4th task is DNF group management. What is DNF group management? If we have to manage the multiple group using the same commands. So how to manage the DNF group management? I just clear the screen for the terminal. Okay, now I have to see the list of groups in my system. I can use DNF group list. Enter. So using the download metadata. So here is some error in this repo file. I can check what is the error exactly. Base OS name, base URL, mobile launch pad, base URL equal to file colon slash 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 mount abstract enable gpg check. Good. I just save the file one more time. Okay. To verifying the repo list, we can see list of groups using DNF group list. So we will see now it's running online. So here we get the list of group installed in our system. If we want to install the group, then we can do DNF group install server with GUI. Because I want to install this package. I say and enter. So we will see it's open or it will be installed or not. Yes. So it's completed. Now this package is installed. If we want remove a group, then what can we do? Using DNF group remove servers with GUI. Enter. Sorry. See DNF history. How to see DNF history? So using DNF history command. We can see or view the history. If we have to undo the 5 transaction or 5th transaction, then we can use DNF history undo. Let's see that. What happened? We will see here. So 5th transaction is undo. I said yes, enter. It's verifying the package downgrade and complete. If we want to see DNF history, 5th number. Now we can redo a transaction using the same command. Just we have to put redo DNF history. I just clear the screen. DNF. I just enter the command redo, say yes, we will see what happens. It is upgrade running very fast and upgrade completed. Bin util package. Now, if we have to say DNF model string, then we can use. First of all, we see the list of models in the system. DNF model list. Sorry, list. Here we can see default, enable, disable, and installed package model list. If we have to see particular, enable a module. I just clear the screen of you. Okay. Now using DNF module enable because I want to enable PHP 8.0. We will see what happens. Yes. So enable module stream is completed. If we have to disable the module, then we can use DNF module disable PHP. Enter. Using this command, disable the module PHP. Now it's disable module. Here, using this command, we can enable the module. Using this command, we can disable the module. If we want to reset the module, then we can use DNS module reset PHP. Wait. So recently we checked how to install group, remove group. Now we will see DNF history. This is the one of the most important exam favorites. So let's see how to see or view history using DNF history. Using this command, we will view history. If we want to undo a transaction, DNF history undo file. So let's see what happened. I say yes for. Okay. So using this command, we undo the fifth. It is downgrade BI utensils. Okay. If we want to redo a transaction, then what can we do? We can use DNF history redo file. So we can redo the transaction using this command. I say yes, then it can be running transaction, preparation, upgrading, running script, cleanup, verify, and it is upgrade. Here we can say downgrade, and using this command, we can upgrade the transaction. I just clear the screen. Okay, we will see now. DNF module stream. What is DNF module stream? If we want to list the module, we can use DNF module list. Enter. Using this command, we will get list of modules in our system. So here we can see Python, Redis, enter. Okay, I just clear up the screen. If we want enable a module, then what we can do? Using DNF module enable. We will see. Here they ask, is it okay? Then I said yes, then enter. Complete. So dependency result enable module stream PHP 8.0. So now if we want disable a module, then we can use DNF module reset PHP enter. Using this command, we reset a module. I say yes, enter. So you can see here resetting the module PHP. Now, if we want install module, then what we can do? Using DNF module install PHP 8.0 on enter. If I want to install the module PHP 8.0, and it can be installing the group module package. Yes, enter. So friends, I will give you each and every command in description box. Please rest assured about each and every command and description I will provide in the description box. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Now we will see the second part of the package management. So now we will learn another part of package management, that is RPM. RPM is a low level package manager. RPM is used for verifying, querying, and installing the local .rpm files. So we will see query installed package. So using RPM hyphen QA. Sorry. RPM space hyphen QA, enter. We will get the queries of installed package. Here we get all information about installed package. If we want to search for specific package, so we can use RPM hyphen Q because I want to search HTTP package, enter. So package HTTP is not installed. Now, if we want to list the file installed by a package, so first of all, we check the installed package using RPM hyphen QA, enter, and I can get another package name, just like suppose we will say this package, okay? So RPM hyphen few else, and I want to say open SSH. Star enter. So package open SSH is not installed. We will see HTTP also not installed. So what we will get? So package HTTP is not installed. If we want check package dependency, then we can use RPM hyphen capital P HTTPD enter. So package is not installed. If we get Samba start, we will see here. In my system, Samba package is installed. So we will get all information about the package dependency or verify the package integrity. If I want to install an RPM file, then what can I do? So let's see. Clear, enter. If we want to install the package, first of all, we have to download the RPM in our system. So we can download it using wget command, or we can download directly from our Oracle Linux or Red Hat website .rpm file. So I'll check in my system is any RPM file is download or not down. We will see here downloads. So recently I downloaded the vminimal. So we can try to install this package. Okay. RPM hyphen I for install, V for verbose, and H for hash package name. If I don't know the path, I need to copy the path and paste here. Root, download, and win. Enter. We will see it's verifying the package, preparing the package. This package is already installed. If I want the upgrade and RPM file, then which command can I use? I can use RPM hyphen capital U. U for upgrade, V for verbose, H for hash, package name. I want to give here also path RPM. I just try directly win slash root download win enter. So there is no upgrading about this RPM file. If I have to remove the package, then I can use RPM-E and package name. I write this package start. Hyphen 2:8 dot 0. Start. We'll see what happens. Build dependency. I'm going to copy the code and then remove the package. So slash root slash download slash win. So here we can see win is used for our terminal or a text file, so it needed by installed sudo. So I want this package, so I didn't remove this package, but using rpm-e and package name, using this command we remove an rpm package. Now we will see gpg key management. This is very important for security. You see here, using these commands, I just import my gpg key. And if I have to check list of installed key, then I can use rpm hyphen qa gpg hyphen public key star enter. So we will get installed key. Now another part is Flatpak. This is also required for the RHCSA. So using DNF install Flatpak hyphen y. Using this command, we install the Flatpak. So DNF, there is some spelling mistake. Nice, but so we'll say DNF install Flatpak hyphen y. So using this command, we install the Flatpak. So this package is already installed. Dependency resolve nothing to do. So using this command, we install the Flatpak. I mentioned it in the description for back description. So you will see all the command in description box. So now, if I had Flathub repo, then what can I do? So using Flatpak remote add. Flatpak is already installed in my system. I just show you which command is used for install the Flatpak, add the Flathub repo. So remote hyphen add hyphen if not exit Flathub. We can take this ISPD. I just get this link from the flat repo. So if I want it's okay. I just type https colon slash slash flathub dot org slash repo slash flathub dot flat repo. Flat let's see if any mistake https dot colon and org. Okay, enter. So using this command, we add Flathub repo. So if we have to search app, so we can use Flatpak search. I just put a name here. So it is already there is a okay. Firefox. I put anything here. So using this command, we search the app. If I have to install app, then I can use Flatpak install Flathub. org.c Firefox. So using this command, it's installing my Firefox. That's why it is not able to search here using this command Flatpak search Chrome. So this using this command, install the app. After installing the app, we can see uh, using a Flatpak search Firefox, it is able to open or not. We run the app and we see list of installed app and remove how to remove the app. So we will see here in the Flatpak. Until this is downloading or installing, I'll tell you what are the exam style tasks including this video. So first task is configure the local ISO repo. So for this we have to mount ISO. After that create repo file and verify. Task 2 install HTTPD and enable service. So I just open the notepad and show you. I give you some example tasks. So let's see. First task, configure local ISO repo. Every task is already present in this video, so make sure to watch full video so you will get the detailed information about each and every task. For configure the local ISO repo, we have to first of all mount ISO, then create repo file, then verify it. So second task, you will have to install HTTPD and enable service. For this, you have to use DNF install HTTPD -y option for installing the package. And for enable the system, we can use systemctl enable icon now HTTPD. In task 3, install Firefox using Flatpak. Now this process is running behind our task. So we install Firefox using Flatpak. Task 4. Enable PHP module stream. Enable PHP module stream. And task 5 is undo a DNF transaction. So make sure to complete all the 5 tasks present in this video, and this is very important for the RHCSA exam. So make sure to complete each and every task. So now we will go back to our scenario. install Firefox using Flatpak. So installation is complete here. We can see now Flatpak run org module. So we'll see it open or not. Let to load. So we need to load module one more time, but it's open here. We can see uh, application is running using Flatpak. So I have to close this. Okay, enter. Okay, I exist due to the channel error. So I just close this uh, terminal. Now we will see if I have to list of installed apps through Flatpak. So I can use Flatpak list. We will see download Firefox. We recently download the Firefox. We will get all information about the installed app. If I have to remove an app, I can use simply Flatpak uninstall org dot enter. Say yes for proceed with the changes to the system installation. Okay, enter uninstall complete. So here we can see all about Flatpak, RPM, DNF, and exam task. So make sure to watch full video so you will get the full information about the Linux package management and prepare for the RHCSA exam. Thank you so much, and you will get all information in the description box. So make sure like, share, and subscribe my channel so you will get the future videos as well. Thank you so much.